You just gotta find somebody to love. We're back. Fucking A, man, this morning. What a joke. I swear to God. Internet. The best part is, I have backup internet as well. But everything just went out. It was a total collapse of Comcast internet. I have no fucking... Talk about a perfect storm. What a joke. What a joke. Man. What a joke. Look at this move right now. I don't want to say I'm the best to ever fucking do it, boys, but I mean, look, let me show you this. Let me show you this really quickly. Let me show you this really quickly. Look at that move. Are you fucking kidding me? How did I get that move? How did I do it? How did he do it? How did he do it? How did he do it? Well, I'll show you right here. Look at this little doji. A little doji right there. We break above it, got it back above the 21 EMA, and then what a time to be alive. 22,100. This is a 50-point mover, baby. Patrick, you never mind. We're back, baby. We're back. You can't keep the BDH down. You can't bring the BDH down, baby. You can't stop the BDH from winning. You can't stop the BDH from winning. I'm really sad too because today we had a great guest here. We had Alan. He's a longtime subscriber, and he reached out to me and was like, "Hey, I'm going to be in town for my family. We're doing a little vacation." And I was like, "Well, shit, come on in." So he came into the BDH, and we just talked some. We basically just sat around talking because, well, the internet went out. Right now, the NASDAQ back above the VWAP here. It's well, it's not actually power hour yet. 215. 215. 215. If you guys haven't seen this video yet, go check out this video that we posted earlier. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. You know how we do. You know how we do. You know how we do. We doing it. We doing it. We doing it big. I got something to show you guys actually. Check this thing out. It's pretty cool. Oh man. Mike Tyson. Check this out. Check this out. Put this for the. I feel like this was just such a BDH thing, right? The Mike Tyson signed autographed glove on the cover. Hell yeah! Look at that. I'm gonna put it on one day. I'm gonna knock somebody out. Maybe. Maybe. I thought it was cool. Oh God. So. They had a fishing tournament. Fishing tournament starts tomorrow. We had a captain's meeting last night, and they had a silent auctions for charity. So ended up buying, well, I guess bidding on that Mike Tyson glove, and I won, you know. Who's gonna outbid me? Who's gonna outbid me? Nobody. Nobody. Right now, NASDAQ trying to push up here. Can she go all the way? I think so. I think so. I think so. Let me see. Let's see if I can take some profit. Let me let it ride a little bit. I think actually, like, I want to be like right here, 108. We got to get some type of pullback here. I guess we did have a little pullback there, but we'll see if we get up there. Tap that 108 level. Take profit at 129, Kevin said. Are you sure, Kevin? Kevin, do you promise that it's going to go there? Are you sure? Well, now it doesn't. Now it's pulling back. Good job, Kevin. Good job, Kevin. Well, the best part is we're long here. Long from the 53s. So at this point, can't really lose, obviously. Can't lose at this point, baby. Oh, buddy. Jay said he just sees a big old bear flag. Why do you see a big old bear flag, Jay? I mean, I think the bear flag has been invalidated. The fact that we got above this 90 level here. There's a pivot point up there next, 146s. I don't know. Right now, that's the 1 minute chart. This is the 1 minute chart we're looking at. You can see my entry down there. Basically, after that little doji candle, we got above that. We had the 21 EMA there, getting long and selling into this push to the upside there. I did see this played out really nicely. The opening range today, 15-minute opening range, right? 15-minute opening range. We got stuck below that pivot point. We were stuck below the pivot point and then made that big move down. Anybody trade that opening range break today? Oh my God, it was, I'm so jealous. I am so jealous. I am so jealous here. Look at that thing. Oh my Lord. I'm jealous. Y'all messing me up. I could have made so much money today. 200 points to the downside for the opening range break. I haven't seen an opening range break that good in a long time, you know. I won't lie. I haven't seen a good one. I mean, that was just too easy. The best part is it didn't even, like, it broke the 15-minute range and then just kept going. Right there at that pivot point, and then like that pivot point right there, 140s to that next pivot point for 100 points. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Can we get this fill up here? Oh, Duddy! Billy. Increase the volume of the music a little bit. Why don't you increase your volume? Turn your volume up. If I turn the volume and the music up, then no one's gonna be able to hear me. God. Need maybe some different music. Carl Roy is up over $40,000. Up $40,000 in all of his accounts from that move down this morning. Holy shit. We got Yop. He's up 2,300 today after getting a free account yesterday. Well, congratulations there. Whoppy wop wap. Love to see it. Love to see it. The payout denials at Top Step are beginning. Have you guys seen the news? Another person got their payout denied there. We've getting all kinds of fun stuff here. This was the big topic today. This guy right here, he got his payouts denied, I guess, because I don't know, they didn't really give him a good reason. Prohibited conduct. Uh-oh. The good old days of prop firms just giving everybody free money. I guess that's over. I mean, I won't lie. Top Step, they definitely played themselves with the whole trading the news thing and having multiple XFAs and all that. I mean, they created the fucking casino. So it's kind of funny now that they're backtracking, you know? Kind of funny. Like, how do you backtrack when you're the ones who created it? You know, you created the monster that it is. You know? I think, yeah, like, it was funny too, because last year everybody gave Apex so much shit when they changed the rules or they updated the rules. And the funny part was the most boisterous person had to be the CEO of Top Step. Mike Up Attack was talking so much fucking shit constantly about how Top Step doesn't have a bunch of rules and the only rule that matters is if you're profitable, and there's only one rule. Now there's a whole fucking book about the rules. How'd that work out? How'd that work out? NASDAQ still pushing up here. That previous day lows right there at the 17s. Where'd the guests go? Alan went home or went back with his family. He's a dad. He's got a family. He's down here in Florida right now on vacation. Stopped by the BDH. Mafia Penguin said, isn't power hour at 1 p.m.? No, that's at 3 p.m., sir. There's a link there in the chat if you want to check out the video today on YouTube with Alan. Alan is, the best part is Alan is literally just one of you guys. He's not he has no YouTube. He has no Twitter. He doesn't care about social media. He literally just reached out to me and was like, hey man, I'd love to come check out the BDH. I'm in town. I've been following you for a long time. And I said, all right, yeah, come on in. So he came in and we just talked to the shop. Just a normal old person. Sounds funny to say normal, but like I said, he's just a normal guy. So Paul Moses, today was the first day that you used pivot points, and boy, did that work out. $7,000. Well, let's go. P, when's the Lambo gotta go? Not sure yet. The other Lambo, the Aventador, just blew up. The Aventador transmission blew up the other night, so that's fun. Yeah, not good news. Welcome to owning supercars. Buy a supercar, they said. It'd be fun, they said, you know? Is it under warranty? Fuck no. Ain't nothing under warranty. When it comes to Lamborghini, there's no warranty. It'll probably be like a $30,000 expense, but you know, it is what it is. YOLO. It was funny. My neighbor, he's always like trying to like throw little like digs at me. My neighbor, he's probably like 50 years old. And he just bought this new Audi RS7, which they're nice cars, but they're not like considered a supercar by any means. You know, it's kind of like a good everyday kind of driver. I'm not hating on that car, but he just bought a brand new one. And when I had the Aventador, it was broken down in front of my house, and he was like, "Oh, hopefully you got a warranty." And I said, "No, I don't have a warranty." He said, "Oh, my car's got a warranty." And I said, "Well, you know, I got three other fucking supercars, so I ain't worried about the warranty. If one of them breaks, I just drive another one. If two of them breaks, I just drive another one. If all four of the supercars break, I'll just go buy another one, motherfucker." You know, don't come at me. Don't come at me. Rookie Charts just signed up for his first prop firm. Ooh, Rookie Charts, you don't even know what you're in for. I'm excited. That's like seeing somebody, you know, buying their first fucking beer. You're like, you got a little taste, huh? A little taste of that little taste. He got his first prop firm account. Ooh. That boy he about to find out really quickly. He about to find out really quickly what it's like. You know, ooh, buddy. Hey, just don't do anything that I wouldn't do. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. That's the key here. Dr. Underdunk. What a name. Dr. Robert Underdunk Jr. passed a 300K Apex eval today. How you do that? 300K, man. I can't pass 300K evals. It's pretty cool, actually. Congrats. I mean, I could do it, but I probably couldn't do it, honestly. I'm terrible. It's funny, you know, it's constantly like every fucking day I gotta hear somebody on the internet talking about something about Patrick Wieland, you know, Patrick, like, we get it, right? We get it. I'm the fucking top dog, you know? I get it. You got no one else to talk about. I get it. But like I said on Twitter, I guarantee every single person that talks about me on the internet, I fucking guarantee you 100% that every single one of them would trade their bank account for my bank account. So that's kind of an interesting stat to think about. Who's really losing and who's really winning? If every single person that talks about me would easily, in a moment, with a snap of a finger, take that deal, I think I'm the one winning. I don't see how I can't be winning. I can't see how I can't be winning. You see how it can't be with, you know? All right, Nasdaq's sitting right there at the VWAP for now. We broke above this high from earlier, this little high. We got back above the VWAP here. We're going, it's only 2:30. We got time. We got time, you know? We got time. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it was definitely looking very much like a big old bear flag here, but this move right there really kind of sent it to the moon. You can see this is what that chart was looking like earlier, just very, very tight. And it was funny because I posted asking people what they thought was going to happen, and a lot of red, a lot of bears. This guy right here actually called out the 126s. Bear flag, bear flag, bear flag, bear flag. Uh-oh. I saw that on Twitter and I thought to myself, uh-oh. What would somebody ask? What when I look to get short here? At this point, I pretty much like wouldn't really take a short until we get below this pivot point right here. How do you pass a 50K account right away? Well, this is not financial advice, but the easiest way to do it is to buy 10, get long 10 contracts, get a 15-point move. 15 points, 10 contracts. Invite Tory Trade's uncle. Who's gonna buy a Big Dick House shirt? Who's buying one? If you let me know in the chat if you're gonna get one. I want to see a bunch of Big Dick House people out there just walking around with their Big Dick House shirt on. It's a bunch of big dickers. I don't know if they're in the store yet. It's kind of funny. I went to lunch, and obviously, like people read the shirt. And I'm like, what are they thinking? What do people think when they see me with this shirt on? Think to themselves, like, what the fuck's this guy doing? Oh, here's the shirt, actually. The shirts are up in the shop. There's a bunch of them, actually. NASDAQ pulling back right here. Like I said, just kind of being patient. Let this do what it's going to do. Let's get further away from that VWAP there. There's all kinds of new shirts. We got hoodies. We got the Big Dick House shirts. BDH. It's a pretty cool shirt. They're only 25 bucks as well. You got the Big Dick House Lambo print. Sophia's shirt. Sophia has been asking for a V-neck shirt forever. We got it now. You can also buy the book, the hard copy of the book there on the website as well. Right now, NASDAQ's still going. This is the beginning to test this trend line right there. 64s. Big dump. Wow. I just looked at the chart. Looking at my apparel over here. I need to look at the chart a little more often. NASDAQ down there to the 65s. Wow, I just could not have done that any better, could I? Couldn't have done it any better there. With that long from earlier, from the 53s, my final profit there at the 108s. Somebody in the chat told me to hold until the 129s. Well, good thing I didn't listen to the fucking chat. Good thing, right? Ain't that's a good thing. Don't go listening to the chat now. What's with the mugshot shirt? What's the story behind the picture? I got arrested one time for just being too fucking good looking. I know, it's crazy. Lawfare, basically. Just a bunch of lawfare, man. You gotta watch out for that lawfare. I'm so sad that our guest is gone now. Alan, he would have been a good one. I was excited to have Alan on the stream today. I swear to God. Comcast, everything, the whole entire Comcast just gone. No backup, nothing. I even have 4G LTE backup. Didn't work. Nothing worked. It was just out. I looked on the app. It's like, oh, it's affecting 9,000 people. 9,000 people don't have internet right now. I'm like, oh, perfect. All right, NASDAQ 15-minute chart. We pulled back right into this trend line. We drew this trend line there earlier. Look at that, pulling right back into it now. The problem is, like, I just want to be careful. I want to be careful. Like, let's say this does start to go down. It's like it could kind of hit into that pivot point. I think the safer play is to kind of put in a lower high in this area if we're going to get that move down here end of day. Starlink for the backup. Maybe. Welsh Dragon said the amount of hate that you get on here is stupid. With all these clowns, they watch you. Hey, I think it almost makes them look worse than me, right? Like the fact that you go out of your way to go on the internet, to go on YouTube, to watch me live and then talk shit. Like, hey, says a lot about your life. Says a lot about you, brother. Says a lot about you. All right, it obviously looks like a big old bear flag, right? But just want to be careful. Want to be careful because they could put in a higher low right here, right? We want to see like a lower high. Want to see a lower high in this area. That would be ideal. Like I said, kind of break this, maybe tap into there, put in that lower high, build out the head and shoulders type thing, right? It's like doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo. Maybe not all the way that low, but like into here. Test this low, Dan, down there. In theory. If we look hourly chart looking pretty nice as well here. We got 20 minutes for this hourly candle to close. By the way, I will not be live tomorrow. It's not because I'm getting arrested or anything like that. It's because I have a fishing tournament tomorrow. Tomorrow and Saturday, fishing tournament. I might be able to find, let me see if I got some Apex codes here. There might be a few left, actually. Let me look. We got to get more likes on this stream, though, by the way. We got 130 likes. We got to do more than that, people. Come on now. Got to bump up those likes. If you want giveaways, you got to bump up the likes. Bump up the likes, people. Bet on it, guy. Still got the shirt from 7 years ago. That's wild. There's a link. There's a code in the chat. Let me know if it works for Apex. Let me know if someone gets a free account. Nobody worked for? Damn. They might have disabled all of them yesterday. I'll try. I'll give you one more. I think they might have all got disabled. Let's see if that one works. They might have got disabled because I know yesterday we gave away too many. So it was a good test. Damn it. Well, we tried, chat. We tried. That one probably disabled too. That's what happens when somehow we gave away 1,200. The codes were not supposed to be usable more than once, but the codes got used way more than once yesterday. The codes got liquidated. Oh no. See, and this is what I was worried about right here. Possibly kind of pushing back up in here. Okay. That's why we don't get short at the bottom here. Did Apex yell at me? I don't think they would yell at me, you know? I don't think they would yell at, I mean, I'm PW, baby. Come on. I'm the guy. I'm him. I'm him, baby. I'm him. Think about that, you know, think about that. How many times have people tried to come at me, and how many times have I lost? You know, it's a much better idea to be my friend than to be my enemy. So that goes for prop firms as well. That also applies to prop firms. Oh, buddy, just got my reservation for Seminole Hard Rock fishing tournament coming up. Jimmy Johnson, $1 million prize money. Ooh, buddy. You know what would look really good on the wall here in the BDH? You know what would look really good on the wall at the BDH? $1 million fucking check for fucking a fishing tournament. Now that would be big. I'd like that. I like that. I'm gonna go for that. All right, NASDAQ pushing back up. Pushing back up. This is the, as we wait for the NASDAQ to push back up here to the VWAP, this is that tournament I'm talking about right here. World's richest guaranteed purse. The Jimmy Johnson, March 4th. Oh, buddy. $2 million. I want to win it. I want to win it. I'm going to win it. I'm going to get me some money, honey. NASDAQ. Is Jimmy Johnson at the tournament? He is. Yeah, no, it's his tournament. I'm trying to put my name on the board, baby. It's pretty cool too because they actually give out rings. So if you win the Jimmy Johnson fishing tournament, they actually give you a ring. So since 2012, last year we fished in it. We got beat by a Sandman. Too good, too good. So we're gonna, this guy, they've won it 3 fucking times. Sandman has won 3 times. That's crazy. How do you win a fishing tournament 3 times? 3 times. And by the way, there's like 80 boats in this bitch. Daniel, what's your secret to winning? There's not really a secret. You just gotta be fucking, you gotta be in the right place at the right time and then capitalize on it, honestly. You just gotta be able to capitalize. I know it sounds funny, but like, you gotta be able to make it count when it matters. Good bait definitely helps. I got about $10,000 worth of bait right now, so we got good bait. What size accounts do you purchase? Depends on the prop firm. Normally the 150K account, but with Apex, I've had more luck trading the 50K account. Wow, look at this. Bear flag just really kind of getting denied right here. This is what I was worried about. I mean, not worried about, but this is why I said I did not want to get short until we got below this 40 level. What's the criteria on winning a fishing tournament? Whoever catches the most sailfish. Patrick, what are your thoughts for someone deciding between Take Profit Trader or Tradeify? Why not both? You know, buy an account at both, maybe. I don't know. Got the ES kind of pushing back up here as well. Both the NASDAQ and the ES ripping up here. Mikey, we don't weigh the fish, so there's no weights needed. We don't weigh them. We just film them and then we release them. You weirdo. Wow, look at this thing right now. It is, I mean, she's a ripper. I saw a lot of people in the chat talking about getting short 5 minutes ago. What happened? What happened, chat? What happened, chat? What happened, chat? So you could catch the same fish more than once. Maybe. Oh my, wow. This is wild right now. I'm impressed at this. What in the fuck? Wow, NASDAQ is going straight to the fucking moon. Look at this push. What in the fuck? Just a 50-point straight up green move here. They got the new new FBI director. Wow. What a time to be alive. Ooh. Ooh. Power hour might be fun today. We might get some good power hour today, boys. Oh my Lord. And this is why you gotta love the NASDAQ, man. Everybody was all excited to get short, and then bang, 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 bang. Still ripping higher right now. What's power hour? It's between 3 o'clock and 4 o'clock. They call it power hour. Oh my. Oh my. Well, okay. There must be something good happening in the news right now. Jay, you didn't get short? I saved you from getting short, Jay. Damn, dog. I hooked you up. Russia surrendered? No, really? I can't believe the chat sometimes. It's in a channel on the 5-minute chart. Maybe. What time is it? 350 algorithm. Normally it's right at 350. Sometimes a little later, but normally right at 350. All right. Well, now we've got to basically wait for a pullback here. Indicator on the chart people are asking about is the Lux Algo price action concepts. Lux Algo price action concepts there. This is my settings. Goes through there. It'll chart out your trend lines, all kinds of fun stuff. You got order blocks, fair value gaps, discount zones. I really like this right here with the daily highs and lows. Well, the highs and lows, daily, Mondays, weekly, monthly. And yeah, you can get in there and do all kinds of stuff, man. The Lux Algo price action concepts. PW, did Victoria get a payout? She did not get a payout. I think her career as a day trader might be over because now she's a Pilates studio owner, and that's maybe a little bit more profitable than learning how to day trade. Should bring back math max and nutty bar. Oh, that would be too much. That would be a little too much. I mean, I'm pretty crazy, but yesterday was real crazy. Yesterday was real crazy there. All right, we tapped right into that 127 area now. Pulling back here a little bit. We'll see if these bulls are going to want to play. What are we thinking? What are we thinking, chat? Bulls coming to play here, end of day. News. Happy. Am I green in Tradeify? Are you kidding me? Am I ever not green on Tradeify? Am I ever not green? 28 days of green. We locked it in today. Just taking quick trades there this morning. So that is currently 28 days of green, boys. 28 days of green. We're ready for our third payout, and then we're getting put into a live account with Tradeify here pretty soon as well. So $156,000 made in 28 days here live on YouTube with a 78% win-loss ratio. Let's fucking go, boys. All right, NASDAQ right there. Kind of building out a little bit of a bull flag here again. After this high, we've got 145 being the next level there. 145 to the upside there. We got VWAP down there at the 89. So we are above the VWAP. Market just ripping to the upside. We made a higher high here, breaking through their previous resistance there. And the $1 million question now, can we push up there to the 145s next? Jay said he's been watching for a good while and your trading has reached GOAT status. I don't know about GOAT status, but it is what it is. Alex says it's proof you can have so many flaws and still make money. What's proof? PW, what happened this morning? The fucking internet went out. What do you think happened? Everybody's like trying to think that I blew up my accounts because of the market. Like, the internet literally went out right before the market opened. Fulfill myself from what I did. I cannot explore places I'm looking for. How can I resist the journey that is lived? How can I restore the story I made forward? Good one. When are you gonna get a Ferrari? Probably not gonna get a Ferrari. I think I'm done with Supercars. I've got enough. I think I'm good. I'm maxed out. I don't really know what else to buy. What else could I buy? You know? NASDAQ Power Hour. We're 3 minutes away from Power Hour officially beginning here. Buy a Mansory rolls. I would never buy a Mansory even if you paid me. Only people that are buying fucking Mansories are I don't even know what you call them, but that ain't the vibe. That is not. I do not want some fucking car with just a bunch of shit added onto it. Yeah, no, I'm gonna buy a boat. I'm gonna buy a $2 million boat. That's what my next goal is. Fuck the cars. And definitely not gonna buy an MC20. Benjamin, are you poor? Benjamin, I know you're poor just because you said buy an MC20. How do you know? How do I know Benjamin's poor? Because he said MC20. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I'm gonna buy like a 50-foot Viking is what I'm looking to buy. 50-foot Viking.
I cannot explore places I'm looking for.
This music right now, what's happening? NASDAQ still pushing, trying to push. She's trying. This is what I'm looking to buy. A boat similar to this. It's pretty sick. Look at you got the whole interior. I can set up my trading office, you know, in one of the bedrooms. Do the live streams from the boat while we're fishing. Traveling the world. You know. I'm about it. I'm about it, man. I am all about it. Look at that thing. Oh, Lord. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Put on the side of it, BDH, baby. BDH. Look at those engines. BDH. This right here is, that's called a sonar. It's a sonar. It actually goes down underneath the boat. It's about $250,000 for the fucking sonar so that you can track the fish. It's a $2.5 million boat, 2016 Viking. We're ready to party, baby. Right now, NASDAQ pushed up there to the 120s, pulling back at that VWAP down there, 89s. Buy a Mustang. I already got one of those. The boat stands out. Boat stands for bust out another 1,000. That is exactly what poor people say. I've never heard a rich person in my entire life. Never. I have never met one rich person who owns a boat tell me, Patrick, I can't believe I bought a boat. Because you know what boats mean? Boats mean bust out another 1,000. Nope, never heard that ever. Never. Not once. I've never heard one person that owns a boat literally say that. Only poor people. The only poor people say that. What does the VWAP indicate? Well, it could indicate a few things. It could indicate the volume weighted average price. It could, yeah, be the volume weighted average price. I think that's what it is. I mean, the motors on the back of my boat currently are worth more than most people's cars, or maybe even houses. So when people are like, Patrick, I can't believe you're gonna buy a boat. Don't you know they're expensive? Like, yes, I do. I do know they're expensive. But that's why I make money. I don't make money so then I sit around and cry about like, oh, I gotta spend it now. I'm trying to fucking spend every dollar I got. Every dollar. I want to spend all of it because one day when I die, guess what? I ain't taking it with me. That shit's gonna be worthless. Ain't gonna be good for nothing. How about a Riva? Come on. Hey guys, everybody in the chat, I want y'all to do me a favor. Remember, who is the owner of the BDH? Who am I? Who am I? I'm the guy. I am him. I do not need his suggestions on what boat to buy, what car to buy. I'm on a whole different level of life. A Riva is literally dog shit. Poor people would think that a Riva is good. You know what I mean? Like there's different levels to this game. Don't give me advice on what to buy. I'm good. I'm good. You know? Somebody like Patrick, have you not heard of the BMW M5? That's a really nice car, Patrick. You should buy an M5. You know, you should buy a M5, Patrick. Have you not heard of BMW, Patrick? Why do you not have a BMW, Patrick? Why you have it? Rock Solid said that bro can't buy good internet. Oh, okay. Yes, buy a Challenger SRT because I clearly need a fucking SRT 8 Challenger. Come on, guys. Come on. I need you to focus here. Relax. Don't worry about my cars. Worry about them making some money. Where do you like to go fish at? In the middle of the fucking ocean. Where do you like to fish at? Where do you fish at? Are we gonna rip through this 20 level up there to that 46 level next? Wicks. Get above the 20s here. Get that move up. End of day. 78 Garlington. Okay, now we're speaking. Ron, Mexico. You might not be poor. If you know about Garlingtons, then you might not be poor. You got to add Bugatti. Oh, fuck. Maybe one day. I'm not that rich. I'm not Bugatti rich, to be honest. I don't know if I could justify putting $3 million, $2 million into a car. Buy a Viking and then trade on it. Well, that's the goal. That would be the goal. Do the live streams from the Viking. Buy a Caterpillar backhoe and put it on the BDH. How many rental properties do you have? I don't have any rental properties. 0. Not one. Like literally 0. I don't like property at all. And I know you're going to give me a whole speech about how, Patrick, you got to have more rental properties. Patrick, you're never going to be rich if you don't have rental properties. Patrick, you don't understand. You got to get rental properties. I'm good. I'll pass. Thank you, though. Would you captain the Viking? No, I have a full-time captain already. I mean, I think rental properties are good for people that are poor to generate wealth, right? That makes sense, right? Like you buy rental properties, you get a little bit of money from them, and then maybe one day they're worth more money. You know, like I get it. That makes sense. Cool. But the problem is, like, I make a lot of cash, right? Like I'm bringing in $500,000 a month. So like me owning rental properties, like what does it really do for me at the end of the day? Nothing. You know, I've done the math. I've talked to accountants. I've talked to lawyers, like what the best way to go about it. And every single one of them was like, Patrick, don't buy rental properties. You're too rich. You're too rich. You're too rich. Real estate's only for wealthy people. It's not, though. That's what you think. That's what they tell you. That's what they tell you. I'm buying businesses. I'm buying cash flow positive businesses. That's what I'm buying. I'm creating businesses. I just opened a Pilates studio. That was about a $200,000 investment to open all that up. So that's where I'm putting the money at. Cash flow fucking businesses. That Pilates studio is going to print money, like actually print money. Real estate for tax breaks. Nope. They're not good tax breaks. Trust me. Again, guys, you think I'm an idiot? Like, oh, Patrick, let me give you, Patrick, you made $5 million last year, Patrick. Let me tell you what you should do with it. You know, like people in the chat trying to give me advice on what I should do with the $5 million that I made last year. Patrick, you got to listen to me. Listen to me, Patrick. You got to buy more properties. Patrick, what would you want to see before looking for shorts? Nothing as of right now. I think it'd be the same game plan. Honestly, I would not look for shorts until we get below the VWAP here. Well, not even that. Before we get below this 40 level, as long as that 40 area, as long as this 50 areas kind of holding up down there, then I'm not looking for shorts. And you're like, well, Patrick, it's a 50-point move down. Well, maybe it's not though. Maybe it's just a 50-point move up, a 50-point move up. You know. I always like when people are like, Patrick, why don't you look for shorts? I mean, ask the people that looked for shorts down here. Ask the person that looked for a short here. Ask the person that looked for a short here. You know, they all got fucked. Try to stay out of it. Vartar, why? Who's lying? He said, Patrick, you're lying. What am I lying about? What are we lying about? Right now, NASDAQ just sitting here. Definitely hard to get short when the VWAP's right there. Jessica, let's go. $2. Make you holla. What about a military tank? That could be cool. I could buy a military tank. The problem with the military tanks though is that they don't work anymore, you know, like the guns don't work. Only way I'm buying a tank is if that bitch works. You know, what am I gonna do with a tank if it don't shoot? Nope. It gotta shoot. I want to be able to shoot fucking mortars out of that bitch, rockets out of that bitch. Then fix it and make it work. I think that would be very highly illegal. The ATF would be all over my ass real quick. If you buy a tank and then you make it work, you go into jail. Yesterday's live, I don't know if it was hard because I couldn't focus on trading because I was just laughing the whole time. It was funny, definitely funny, but it was hard to stay focused. Where's my VWAP at? Right there, 22,090. I mean, the funny part was Big Max. He talked a real big game on Twitter. Talked about how he was going to come to the BDH and show me how to trade. I don't know why do people even think that they're going to put one over on me? Why? You know, no one has done it yet, so still waiting for someone to come along and show me how to trade. Ain't going to happen. Ain't going to happen, baby. Ain't gonna happen. This is what he posted on Twitter yesterday morning saying, teach Wieland how to trade. Head to the BDH and teach Wieland how to trade. Oh yeah, you taught me a lot, didn't you? All right, NASDAQ here into the VWAP now. The VWAP needs to obviously find some support down there if the bulls are gonna hold up at the VWAP now. The last stand, basically. It's the final countdown. So far, so good for the VWAP buyers. This is always like interesting for me to look at, right? So I want to see now if this price is gonna like want to come up here and take out this wick here. That would be like very bullish, right? If we can push up here and get right back above this wick right here, that'd be a very like bullish sign that we're gonna probably try to push it here end of day. So this candle right now, I got 30 seconds. Like I said, you kind of want to see this candle push up here and close possibly either above that or kind of like in this area, put a green body there on this 2-minute chart. And see, they're trying. If you go to the 1-minute chart, you can kind of see what I'm talking about here as well. Kind of like getting back right up in there now. It's tight. It could do it, but ideally you'd want it to already be like there. We'll see. Nice little push though for the bulls off of that VWAP. This is the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart that they're holding up there for now. VWAP kind of got that little push up. Trouble. The high of that last candle, 105.75. So now we wonder, do we get above that 105? For the bulls, they got to get obviously above that 105 to try to push up through here. We got 315 right now. Let me look here. What do I think? Whew. I'd say there's obviously always two scenarios, but looking at the hourly chart right now, I think obviously very much like a bear flag here. They could kind of just like push it around, chop it around till the end of day, kind of keep it flat right here at that 22,100 area. And then after hours tomorrow, we make that next leg down. Would be kind of the bear thesis. The other thesis is that we kind of squeeze here end of day. So hourly chart just not really like looking too sexy right here in terms of just price action. Uh-oh, the Top Step House account is now in the negative for the day. Uh-oh. Weren't they just bragging about how they were on a hot streak? I guess it only matters in the morning, not in the afternoon, right? It's not really a red day if you lose in the afternoon. Not really. Uh-oh. So this is kind of like I said, that was the bulls needed to get this above this wick, got denied, now pulling back. So we'll see if we test this trend line down there at the 70s next. If you didn't check out the video from earlier with Alan was here this morning. Alan's just a normal trader. He's a normal man, just a guy, just a trader, not an influencer, just a normal guy like you guys. He watches the live stream every day. He was in town, so I said, come on into the live stream and let's talk some shit. So he did, and good time. We had a little talk, even though the live stream wasn't working. NASDAQ just right there. Right there, man. Right there. Apex, that's an old ad, but Apex right now is 80% off. Look at the bounce here off the VWAP now. Oh, Lord. 80% off for Apex is going on still for a few more days or a few more weeks or till the end of the week or till the end of next week or something like that. Look at the NASDAQ right now, right back up there. Everybody in the chat looks very, like a lot of bears in the chat. I don't know why. Not sure why. Everybody's so bearish. We're right back up there now. That's a pretty engulfing looking candle right there. I think the bulls have to take this now. Take this up here. The bulls have to take it higher. Wow, look at the ES right now too, squeezing straight up there. Straight up on the ES. Both the ES and the NASDAQ working together. End of day. Squeezy McSqueezersons. Shit. I'm trying to take it long here. We'll try a little long here. Oops, sorry. Fucking computer. All right, we are long here. Looking for this push up. I want to get to like the 30s really quickly. Got 6 contracts long. Stop is below that 100 area for now. Oh. The buyer is sitting at the 109s, 39 contracts sitting there, 40 contracts. ES is showing a little bit more strength on the ES. NASDAQ trying to go here. Someone in the chat said I'm too early. Well, we'll find out. Thanks for watching. Never going back, never going back now. Ran right into that little trend line for now, but I just need to get this little flag to build here on the 1-minute chart. Turn my entry into support here. Come on. 109's long, looking for a push up through the 30s. Got a pivot point at the 140s I'm watching. There's a seller at the 18s, 30 contracts sitting there, so I think we get through their 18s. Oh, they're taking the 18s, taking them, trying to take them out. Tapping into that 18s again. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Gonna move my stop to basically break even 11s now. And we'll look for this kind of up into the 30s. Want to see this momentum continue here. Get this momentum to continue. What time is it? 3:23 here in the afternoon. We are live on YouTube. Live on the tubes. I'm looking on the book right now. Not really anything too crazy. I don't see anything big sitting on the book. So just got to get through there. Might have been a little early for the break even, but YOLO. Oof. These little candles right here always suck because it's probably gonna just dip right down there and take out my stop and then pop right back up. Well, there you go. Locked it in for now. We can look for another entry here. The ES just don't want to go. ES is stuck there at the 34s for now. Need that ES to push. All right, let the NASDAQ pull back here again. We look for another setup. And I'm waiting. And that's why we put our stop to break even right there, my friends. Sometimes you get the big explosion, and then sometimes you get a little bit of chop. So I'm okay with that. Now we can just stay out of it for now there. Another little dip down. I think MOC is gonna give us some action. MOC could really get fired up here. Everybody in the chat that is now critiquing that last trade, will you shut the fuck up? Like, guys, just shut the fuck up. Just go somewhere else. Go fucking to Top Step TV. Like, we don't give a fuck. All right, like, it's so fucking stupid. Patrick, I told you, Patrick. I told you. Like, we get it. We get it. You're the fucking best trader in the world. Why the fuck are you here? You know, why are you here? If you're so fucking good at trading, why are you here? Why are you here? Go somewhere else. Just get gone. Just get gone. God. Never hear the end of it. Patrick, that was a terrible trade. Okay, great. Great. God. One day, man, one day, when I'm rich enough, I'm just gonna disappear. I'm telling you, people don't believe me, but I'm just gonna disappear. Just gonna disappear. I'm gonna disappear. I'm gonna go somewhere. I'm just gonna go live in the woods. I don't know. I'm just gonna just disappear. Make all my money and then disappear. Go live in another country. Something. Just get away. Get away from all the fucking morons on the internet. Oh, God. NASDAQ again back there, 22,100s. Just stuck there. Nah, you think I won't, but I will. I will win. I will leave. I'm done. I'm telling you, I want 10. If I get $10 million, $10 million, I'm good. I can just go and live, be happy. I can't wait. 10 million, baby. Shoo. Nah, you can't live without drama. See, that's what you don't get. More drama, more views, more money. The quicker I can get off the internet. That's what people really just don't get. Like, this is all part of the show. You're watching a constant, just everyday show. The PW show does not start at 9 a.m. It is 24 hours a fucking day. You know, I do exactly what I do because I know exactly how to get responses. I know exactly how to get people to watch. I know exactly how to make money. Everything I do is calculated. Everything I do has a purpose. And people just do not understand that. It's not even that I get bad press. What's the bad press? You know, people think they hate me because I talk shit about other fucking influencers that are a joke. Oh, Patrick, why do you talk about other influencers? Welcome to fucking FinTwit. It's views, baby. We're getting views. Getting the views. Yes, $10 million liquid. Not make $10 million, but I need $10 million liquid money, cash money. Either, you know, boat assets, car assets, whatever it is. I need 10 million, baby. I need 10 million, baby. Pulling back there into the VWAP once again. I'm going to look for a long above the 110s. Just to try it out here one more time. I like this above the 110s. To try to get up there towards the 130s. Right? Right? It's got to get above that 110 level. 108.25 right now was the high of that candle. Doomslayer forever. Buy a boat. Instantly lose 80%. Are you fucking retarded? Doomslayer. I'm not even going to delete the comment because you're so fucking retarded. How fucking retarded are you? Tell me. Tell me how fucking retarded you are. Literally. Tell me. Tell me how fucking retarded you are. You dumb motherfucker. You dumb motherfucker. Tell me how retarded you are. Please. Speak one more time in the chat. Please. Boats lose value fast, Patrick. Boats lose value. Shut the... Oh my, do you think I'm gonna go buy some fucking boat that's gonna lose value fast? You think that's what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go, oh, let me go buy a little boat. Let me go buy a little boat, everybody. Let me go buy a boat. I'm gonna go buy a boat, everybody. I'm gonna buy a boat. Hey, everybody, I'm gonna buy a little boat. They don't, oh my God. Hey, Doomslayer, honest question. How much money do you make? No, I'm just wondering. I just want to know. How, like, honest, like, no bullshit. I'm not making fun of you, but literally, how much money do you make? You know, I'm just wondering. I'm just trying to figure out how fucking retarded you are. Come on, tell me. I'm not even like comparing how much money I make, but I just want to know. Like, the amount of brain power that you have, how fucking dumb are you and how much you get paid to be dumb? That's what I want to know. I want to know, are you like, how fucking dumb do you have to be where you're at? You know? That's what I want to know. Like, what level of intelligence are you and how much do you get paid to be retarded? Exactly. Crickets. 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 Patrick, the boat's gonna lose 80% of the value if you buy it. Patrick, don't buy a boat. It's gonna lose 80% of the value. What the fuck do you think I'm doing, bro? What do you think I'm over here buying, like a $10,000 boat? Oh, Patrick, don't buy the boat. It gotta lose a value. $10,000 value. God, I can't. I just can't. I can't even do it anymore. My brain, it don't work. My brain, I can't even talk to these people. All right, for example, this boat right here is a 2018, right? This is a 2018 Viking. How much is this boat selling for today? $9 million. When this boat was brand new, do you know how much it sold for? Maybe 11, 12 million. Maybe actually 10 million, honestly. So, again, are you dumb or are you dumb? Why do people come here and talk like they have any fucking idea? You know? They can't. They can't talk. They don't know. People just don't know. All right, we got 20 minutes here until the 350 algorithm. All right, that 110s. 22,110 to go through, and then I think we go pivot point up there, 146s here, possibly end of day. I'll go ahead and just draw a little circle on there. We'll see if we tap that circle here, end of day. I don't know, like, see, when I buy stuff, I don't think about like, oh my God, you know, how much am I gonna lose? I just think about, hey, I fucking want it, I'm gonna buy it. You know, like, life is too short to sit around wondering, hey, you know, because the way I look at it is like, if I spend money, it just motivates me to make more money, right? If I buy one $500,000 car, guess what? Now I'm motivated to fucking make $500,000 so I can buy $1 million car. That's the way I look at life, you know? That's the way I look at it. Just motivation. The 350 algorithm starts at 340, guys. Why do you keep asking a simple question? We need everybody to be on point today. 340 algorithm. The 350 algorithm starts at 340. Everybody knows that already. If you don't know that, you clearly did not buy the course. So instead of asking dumb questions, please buy the course. And people wonder why 90% of day traders lose money. Why do 90% of day traders lose money? I don't know. I wonder. Would there be a reason? Could there be a possible reason for that? Because they ask questions like, what time is the 350 algorithm at? Patrick, what time does the market close at? You don't like muscle cars. It's not that I don't like muscle cars. I just don't really have it. I got the Shelby GT500. That thing's gonna be fast as fuck and loud as fuck. Gonna be a real America type car right there, boys. It's a whole course. The whole entire Patrick Wieland course is based on just teaching people when the 350 algorithm happens. 8 hours of explaining exactly when it happens. All right, I think if we get through this 110, we pop. Boner candles, Viagra, Cialis, Hims, all of it, boom, injected into the veins of the NASDAQ. But we got to get above 110s. You can see, once again, stuck there. Is there a 900 lot sitting there at 110? I don't see it anymore. There's 900 contracts sitting at 110. Oh, fuck. 900 lot at 115. It keeps moving around. I saw a big order for a minute at the 110s, and now it's moving. Patrick, how many cars do you have? 7, 6, 5. I forget. I got too many. This one behind me. Ooh. Ooh. Somebody said, is 110, do you want to get short or get long there? Well, if it gets above 110, I want to get long. But we still got 10 minutes here until the 350 algorithm, people. Get ready. It's going to get wild. This market is just holding here right now. Just holding. Why is it above 110? I mean, come on. What do you mean, why above 110? You tell me, why do you think I'm saying above 110? Just looking at the chart alone, why would I say that? I don't know. What's the high of that candle? 109.50, the high of that candle. 108, the high of that candle. 108, the high of that candle. Well, not even near 110. Bro, I can't. Are people not serious when they ask that question? Patrick, why 110? Why? Why, Patrick? I can't figure it out. What do you know that I don't know? I looking at it like, what is happening at 110? What is the 110? I can't. Oh God, 110. The 110 algorithm. But yes, whenever I see that there's wick, right? That wick, what do I think is going to happen? That there's shorts who are going to have their stops right here above these wicks, right? There are shorts that are sitting here. They might be right. It could dump down here, but I know that if we take out these shorts, guess what happens next? There's going to be more shorts here. There's going to be more shorts here. And what do we got? We got a yellow fucking circle at the 140s pivot point, baby. You know? Why do I prefer the 2 minute over the 1 minute? Because the 2 minute is between the 1 minute and the 3 minute. That's literally, it's just personal preference. Nothing more. Trade however you like. This is not personal. This is not financial advice. Don't listen to me. I never even went to college. I don't even know what a fucking algebra is. People always ask me about money numbers. I don't even know what the numbers are. But again, like I said, this all hinges on the idea of getting above that level. What am I using to look at the orders? Just level 2 right now. I don't see that big order anymore. You guys still see the big order at 115? You guys, who was seeing that earlier? Yeah, it's gone. See, they knew what they were doing. They were trying to buy lower. That's what I would say, right? They're trying to buy lower so they can sell higher. Normally a good strategy.
Say that you
Getting really close to that 110 now.
say that you take my hand and caress and condense the Milky Way and
This music right now is not the vibe for this moment. This is like
create imagination stations, carve. Say yes.
I never been, darling. Shit, she's getting fucking tight, boys. I never seen something so tight as this. Woo! She's getting real tight, real tight. Darling. All right, chat. Just so the whole world sees it later. 110, we break. We go to the pivot point. I'm letting everybody know now, so nobody has any questions. Also, if it breaks 110, it could trap, and we could go straight down as well. So there's your you know, Don't listen to me. Again, the high on that candle right there, 109.25. I'm scared. Don't put me in jail, please. I'll never survive in there. I spent 9 days in jail. I'm never going back. I'll never go back. You're gonna have to kill me to take me back, boys. 110 breaking. Already up there to the 114s. I never been. I got a terrible fill. Terrible fill long at the 14s. Talking to you guys, fucked up my entry here. Y'all fucked it up. All right, now we're just kind of see if we get through the 20s and then through that 27, 30 area, straight up there to the 145s there next. Darling, darling, darling. Trying to go. I want to see boner candles here. Boner candles, people. Nothing but boner candles. Uh-oh. My stop is, we'll just put stop at the hundreds here. Oh, God. No, we're good. I never been. Get through this 120. We should start kind of really ramping up quicker here end of day for the 350 algorithm coming up. We got boner. Come on, boners. Let's get through that 20 here. By the way, we talked about this whole entire trade before it happened, so just want to put that out there. For anybody out there that says Patrick Wieland never tells me what to do. Well, there's 20 points for you. Still going higher. There's only one. What happened this morning? The internet went out. Honestly, yeah, just didn't have any internet. We got the ES and the NASDAQ both trying to push through here. Resistance across the board. We got the 350 algorithm coming up here in 4 minutes, by the way. 4 minutes for the 350 algorithm. I got Comcast fucking 1 gig internet, by the way. People saying I can't afford internet. Relax. Normally, I would have probably moved my stop to break even here, but since it's 350 algorithm time, I'm gonna let it ride. I got fiber. I do have fiber. It says it on the app. See me now. Let me let you down. You begging, baby. Yeah, I've got 1.2 gigabytes of internet, and I've also got the 4G LTE backup. What the fuck, man? It's a joke. What a scam. What a scam. Who made money this morning? Who made money? Well, who's making money right now? Power Hour live on YouTube. Gigabits. Gigabits or gigabytes? right, so if we can get through the 30s here, I will move, maybe move my stop up. Or I could take a little bit of, I might take some profit up here in the 30s just to lock that in before the 350 algorithm kicks in. So I'm going to put an order right here at 36s just in case this like pops up and just fills that order really quickly here at 350. There's the pop, a little bit of a pop here into the 30s now. I was looking for 36s. Can we get it? Like I said, right through the 10s. We are now up 25 points. Are you not happy? Are you not impressed, chat? Chat, are you not impressed? 5 seconds. 5 seconds. I'm going to move this up a little higher. 41s now to take profit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, chat. Oh, yeah, chat. There you go. That's 40 points. Up there almost to the 50s now. Who wants to give me advice? Who wants to give me advice? Who wants to give me advice? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you, chat. I can't hear you, chat. Chat, why did it, what happened, chat? Chat, what happened? Why did it hit the circle? What happened, chat? What happened? There is nobody doing it like this. I'm telling you right now. There is only one. There is only one. W's all fucking day. www.winning. Put it on the board. Put it on the board, chat. Who the best? Who the best, chat? Who the best? We the best. We the best. God. We the best. Sorry, I'm still long. I'm gonna move this stop. This is that last stop. Trying to get, I probably should have taken that all into the 50s right at that pivot point, but got a little greedy with the chat here. Y'all got me a little greedy. Y'all got me a little greedy. The best part is, though, I really do love the fact that we drew that circle. I drew that circle when the market was down here, by the way. If you're just now watching, that's exactly what happened. I literally drew this circle and drew this whole entire play out before it happened. Right? Before it happened. I need confirmation from the chat. Let me know, did that happen for real? Was it real? Was it real? Did I really do it? Did I really do it? It's real. Look at the chat. Even the chat coming through. Even the chat's confirming. Well, like we said, right through the 110s there. Right through the 110s. There ain't nobody doing it like this. BDH, baby. Power hour. Boom, 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 boom.
Bye, bye, bye.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Baby, can I miss you? Look how close I almost got stopped out there. I might get stopped. Oh, God. Oh, God. All right. I'm happy with that. I probably should have taken all that profit into the 40 push, but I got a little greedy there. Got a little hyped up. Chat, you got me all excited. Chat's always getting me fucking excited. You know, always getting me excited. The good news is, 28 days of green continues in these Tradeify accounts. It's big, big, big. Look at those stats. Look at those stats. Look at those stats. I'm telling you right now, chat, I'm telling you right now, there is nobody on YouTube right now doing what I do. If I'm I'm live on YouTube, you better fucking tune in because you are wasting your time watching anybody else out there. You're wasting your time, people. You are wasting your time. And would you look at that? NASDAQ right up there to the circle, pulled right back. Who would have thought? Who would have? Who? Not me. Not me. No way. No way. Not me. Not me. God. Chat. 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 Well, that was fun. Voltron, if you start on YouTube, it's game over. I doubt it, but good luck with that. I would never bet against Patrick Wieland, but hey, maybe it's just because I am Patrick Wieland. Don't do it. Don't bet against me. You're the one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Tell me you're the one. What a move. 355 algorithm now. End of day. She wants more, I think, though. I think for some reason this NASDAQ just seems like it wants more. But can it go? After the 40s, what we got next? Might not have enough time in the day here. That pivot point there, the 45s, the NASDAQ pushing. ES also pushing there. We had the ES breakout. This is why I really love that setup too, guys, because we had this setup that we see here on the ES was almost identical to the setup on the NASDAQ, right? Having both of those markets moving together, very good to see. And well, there you go. If you're still holding long from the 110s, well, you're in the green, basically. Basically, you're in the green, I think. I'm not sure, but right now, Apex is 80% off. If you want to learn more, check out apextrader.com. Use the code PW. Use the code PW at all the top prop firms in the industry. And, yeah. There we go. There we go. There we go. What a time to be alive. I'm happy that I could come back here after this morning's debacle with the internet and put one on for you guys. We put one on there, boys. We put one on. You know, like, I don't know about you guys, but we fucking put it on. We fucking put it on, boys. Nice work, nice work. Give a round of applause. Round of applause to the chat. Round of applause to the chat. Yes, Apex did extend the sale. The ad is from yesterday. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready for the America versus Canada hockey tonight. It's going down 8 o'clock. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Tell me I'm the one. Tell my God. Tell him I'm the one. Tell him all. Baby, I want to see if it pops above this pivot point before close. God damn, that was... Bro, I mean, I impress myself sometimes. I do, chat. I really do sometimes. I impress myself. If you can't impress yourself, who the fuck can? Right? Like, you got to be able to impress yourself sometimes. You know, that's the whole point of doing this shit. It's the whole point of doing this shit. You know, America. You know Canada's going to get their asses whooped tonight. Oh, it's over. America is coming. Donald Trump already made the phone call. He said, hey, look, we got to win this game tonight. It's very important that we win this game for America. If America don't win tonight, it's not good. We need America to win. Welcome to fucking Donald Trump's America, where it's winning. Nothing but winning. There we go. Here, let's do a chat. Let's do a poll in the chat. Who's up? Who's winning tonight? Canada or USA? Canada or USA? Oh my God. Yo, 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 what up?
Big dog. Hey man, still trying to pick this thing up today?
I mean, it's up to you guys. I can either do it now or Monday. I can't get it tomorrow for sure. I can't go tomorrow, so it has to be today. Yep. Yep. All right. What? Well, then I can't take the 911 right now. What's the difference if you take the? We'll just swap. But it's like, you know. I know, but I guarantee I'm one of your top clients. You know. It's a pain in the ass because then I guess I'm gonna drive me up there and then I gotta take the SEO next week. Honestly, but yeah, like I said, if Monday works better, let me know. But I don't need it, you know. Yeah, that works. All right, later. Fucking people, man. You spend millions of dollars and they still don't. I'm just kidding. They help you. All right. Well, there's the push. They did. They popped it above there, didn't they? Funny. They popped it above that high of that candle just to see. I wanted to see if they were going to pop it above the high of that candle, and they did. So there it is. What a time to be alive. That 110 entry was absolutely fucking perfect. If you have not bought the course, it's $199. Stop fucking around. Get the course. Tune into the live streams. I will not be live tomorrow. I'm fishing. I got to go win some money. Because, you know, I can't make all the money trading around here. I will see you guys next week for Mega Money Mondays. We'll be back here on the #1 day trading stream on YouTube. And well, peace to the Middle East, my friend.